If you've ever wondered how you can create stunning vector artworks on the go, this course will have the right answers for you. Hi, my name is Daria. I'm a digital designer and illustrator. In this class, I will tell you everything you need to know about Adobe Illustrator for iPad. If you're already familiar with Adobe Illustrator for desktop, getting used to interface of the iPad version won't take that long. However, if it's a fresh new start for you, no worries. This class is beginner friendly and we will step by step go through everything you need to know to be able to create artworks on your own. We will go through all essential tools and features that you will need to create your vector designs. At the end of this course, we will put the learned knowledge and skills into action, creating a very simple artwork. This class serves as a base that you can later build upon, expanding your knowledge about Adobe Illustrator and vector graphics. If you are ready to dive in, enroll in this class, grab your iPad and let's get started.